Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Sagittarius for the month of September 2020, and this reading includes your all 4 weeks of September. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Sagittarius, the first, this is your energy basically for this month, that is the Queen of Cups. Here basically this shows me that you are focusing more on yourself now. It has been a very long time that you were focusing on other people's feelings, their emotions, and unfortunately you were just getting drained out and not able to feel happy about yourself. So now this month you will be focusing on yourself, your happiness. It could also include your kids, your children's happiness, and what you like to do and how do you want to do certain things. So the whole focus will be on yourself, and this is going to make you feel really happy. So seeing your first week, that is 4 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, and King of Wands reversed. So basically, in the first week of September, you will be really trying very hard. You might learn some new skills, you might polish some old ones and work very very hard to get some good results in your business, your work, and you will be feeling secured of whatever you have. But there will be a need or desire to work harder to reach somewhere where you have been like wanting to be since for a very long time. So that desire will be there, and for that you are going to really work hard in first week of September. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the weekly updates. Alright, the second week says Ace of Swords, King of Swords reversed, and Seven of Cups reversed. So here I see that in the second week there will be clarity, there will be new new things that might come in your life, and that is going to benefit you, that is going to give you good rewards. But at the same time you will also be feeling little doubtful about it, because you don't want to lose something which you have already gained. So you will be little doubtful about it, as whatever new might come is going to be something different from what you already know, what you are skilled at. So you will be you might be little doubtful, or you will be little hesitant to take the new thing, because that is something which is not you are very very good at. So you will be little unsure about the answers, unsure about how the future is going to be if you start walking on this particular path. So this is how your second week is going to be. Coming towards the third week, that is the Knight of Wands, Six of Pentacles reversed, and the Devil card. So this shows me that you really want to reach somewhere, you want to do something with your life, you really want things to happen pretty soon. But actually that will not be the case. You are moving, but somehow you might feel that something is pulling you. You are moving, you want to move in the forward direction, but somebody is pulling you from back. So that kind of a feeling can be there, and you might feel that you're stuck, you're trying very very hard, but you're not able to move forward. Something happens, some trouble comes, or some hurdle is there, or something happens that ultimately you're not able to move forward, and you might feel that this is not how it was supposed to happen. Then why is it happening like this? Someone close to you might also refuse to help when you really really need their help in the third week of September. So don't expect too much from people, and keep working hard, because the hard work is really going to pay off sooner or later. So moving towards the fourth week, that is the Seven of Swords, Death card reversed, and Knight of Pentacles. So I think there is someone in your life. This person is not someone whom you can trust. So this person is giving you some kind of pain. This relationship is making you feel that you are trapped in it, and this person is just using you and taking you for granted, and you really want to come out of it. But if there is a fear also, because if you will come out of this relationship, then you might end up losing a lot in your life. So that kind of thought can be there, and that kind of a self talk you can have with yourself. So you will be basically spending more time empowering yourself, and maybe emotionally cutting off from this person, whosoever this person is in this relationship, who is basically not good for you. They are just using you, and you really need to come out of this trap. So that was about it. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. We also do the personalized reading. You can ask for that also. And for the daily readings, you can follow us on Instagram. So good luck, Sagittarius.